Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. This is the old generation Skoda Rapid 2012 model. Let's get into the engine bay right away. This is 1.6 TDI diesel motor. It produces around 250 Nm of torque and 103.2 bhp. That's insulation right here, which works pretty well. Let's close the engine bay. Yeah, you can hear the sound from the outside of the vehicle. So going to the light, it gets halogen. This is the indicator of this car. This is the fog lamp. This is the Skoda grill, Skoda logo. Yeah, which looks perfect. This is the old generation model, and we'll talk about the owner of this car and the review, what he thought and which segment he was choosing. Coming to the side of this vehicle, you can see the car from this side. Its wheelbase is 2552 mm. Getting into the tires, it doesn't get any alloy wheels, it gets a steel rim, and this is a wheel cap. Its size is 185/70 R14. It's a tubeless tire. So getting into the rear, it's same as well in rear. It gets front disc and a drum brake at the rear. Door handles are finished in the car paint only. Yeah, OVRM doesn't get any pedal lamp as such or indicator as such. Here it gets an indicator, side indicator. This has finished in gloss black. Here is the fuel gauge of the car. It's a diesel engine. It doesn't get any snow thingy that which cleans that. Yeah, that's getting to the rear of the car. This is the rear look of the car. This is the tail light of the car. Indicator, everything is in not a LED. This is the reverse parking light. This is the brake as well as brake light and a rear light. It gets rapid badging, Skoda logo. It has written TDI. TDI means diesel engine in Volkswagen Group. Yeah. Here is the reverse parking camera. It doesn't get any parking sensors in this particular model. It doesn't get any shark fin antenna. It's a regular antenna. It gets the defogger. It doesn't get any wiper as such. Rear mounted stop lamp. So getting inside the boot. Coming to the exhaust of this vehicle, it gets a single exhaust. The underbody looks good. Wide, huge tires. Yeah. It gets a tail lamp which is in yellow color. Here it is. Going to the boot, it is 460 liters of boot space. Going to the spare wheel, it is a space saver. It is a small size tire. It is 175/70 R14. Yeah, there is the tools all. 460 liters of the boot space, and there is no 60/40 split or any folding option in this Rapid. Close it. Going to the side of the car, same as the other side. Let's get to the rear seat of the car. It doesn't get any soft door close. It's another look. Doors open wide enough. It is good. Yeah. Door handle. This is our opening lever. It finished in chrome. Window is large enough. This is one touch up and down. You can keep a half-liter bottle in this. It's enough. Infinity speakers, which I'll talk about later. Leather finish seat. Gets two height adjustable headrest. There is a center armrest. Yeah. Here is an cup holder, and it's rear AC vents. Let's close the door. Doors close with a proper thud. This is the center armrest, which doesn't get any cup holder as such. Yeah. 3 people can't sit comfortably because there is a huge hump here. Yeah, you can see 4 people are comfortable in this cabin. I mean, you can sit 3 people. They sit jugaad karke. Yeah, there is no center armrest as well. Center armrest is there. Center headrest is not there. Yeah. To show you people how in this sedan, what is the leg room, knee room, under thigh support, and the head room. I'm calling my brother. He is actually a 6 feet height. Oh, you can sit, bro. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, it feels very comfortable. Knee room is
Yeah.
very spacious.
Knee room, leg room is also good. Under thigh support is also good. Headroom, yeah, okay, in this segment. So let's get to the driver's seat. Door shut with a proper thread. Let's get to the driver's seat. Yeah, it doesn't get any request. Door handles is nice enough. It doesn't get any request sensors as such. Even this door opens wide enough. Yeah. Window area is large. Power windows, power control windows, lock system for windows, for doors lock. Yeah, the storage is here. You can keep 1 liter bottle easily. This is to open the boot. This is to open the engine bay of the vehicle. It doesn't get electrically adjustable seats or memory seats. It's manually adjustable. Even for right, the recline, front and forward. So let's get inside the cabin. This is how the cabin looks. Yeah. Let's start the car. First, we'll close the door. Yeah, doors close with a proper third. Thumbs up to Volkswagen Group, because Skoda Volkswagen are both same. It's brother. Yeah. Let's turn off the hazard light. Yeah, this is the instrument cluster. It is very basic. Right side you get the speedometer, left side it's a tachometer. Here it shows the battery warning. Yeah, this is for handbrake. This is normal. It doesn't get anything. This is kilometer driven, temperature and its time. Yeah, this is for fuel meter. This is for the headlight. If you pull one, it is for front fog, rear fog, German cars. Height adjuster, headlight lever. This is for the wipers. Wipers spray water perfectly enough. Cleans the windshield. This is for the indicator. Yeah. Then this is the system which I'll talk about later, because it is an upgraded one. This is it's not stock. Yeah, this is the ashtray. It gets few storage. Ignore this. This is the gear lever of the car. This is the handbrake. It gets a center armrest. It's decent size. It's also adjustable. Seats are also finished in leather seats. Co-passenger seats doesn't get any height adjustable, and it can be adjustable front and forward reclining. Height adjustable seat belts. Yeah, sorry for that. The light has become dim suddenly. Even same as the case in the co-passenger. This is the front reading lamp. It is also halogen. This is the rear view mirror. It is not an auto dimming. Manually it can be done. This is a mic. I'll talk about later, because these all are upgraded ones. It gets a toll receipt here. It gets a mirror in the co-passenger seat. Yeah, even in rear it gets the reading lamp. There is no sunroof. Yeah, handles here. It gets 3 handles. It doesn't get in driver's seat. Yeah, horn is perfect, good. Skoda look. It doesn't get any steering mounted things here. Volume up and down or cruise control as such. Yeah, these are the pedals, accelerator, brake and the clutch. It's a manual transmission. Glove box. Sorry for the storage. Glove box is pretty well. It's big enough. AC vents which work good. I'll ask the owner about this later in the vlog. Yeah, this is for the control of the AC on off. Music system. Let's play audio right away. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. Yeah, music system is perfect because it's an upgraded speakers. I'll talk about this is the hazard light and this is the defogger at the rear wind. Yeah, this is the control for the AC vents, how to on off it. Yeah, I'll start the car and show you how it how it sounds inside the cabin. Yeah, you can see the sound is pretty good. It doesn't make any sound as though even it is a 10 years old car and it's a diesel engine. Yeah, it is up to 2000 rpm. Yeah, I love the car at the moment. Yeah, so I'll talk to the owner and I'll show his review. What about this car, negative things, and what he got on road price, everything. Yeah, let's go. Let me show you another feature of Skoda everything Volkswagen Group gets is. Yeah, I've locked the car. Press and hold the unlock button. All the windows rolls down. If you keep pressing the lock button, the windows rolls up. Yeah, he is the one who owns this car. He's actually my brother, and yeah, let's talk about him. Bro, how much did you get it on road price when you bought it, and which place you bought it?
I think I bought it on 2012.
Yeah.
It cost me around 12.5 lakhs at that time.
Okay, from where did you buy?
Mysore showroom.
Yeah, okay. And which all cars you were seeing at this segment?
I think it was Hyundai Verna
Yeah.
and Honda City.
Okay, they're competitors.
Yeah, they were the competitors.
And what all, for how much price?
Volkswagen Vento.
Oh, it's brother.
Yeah.
For how much price you have upgraded all the installation aftermarket things?
It has been updated till 1 lakh.
Yeah, they have not done any chart for the engine, right?
No.
Okay, let's get in the cabin.
Okay.
Let's get inside of this vehicle. The rocket. Let's open the lock. This is the only problem, bro. It doesn't get any sensors. Yeah. This is the cabin of this vehicle. Yeah. Bro, first question. How do you feel the build quality of this vehicle?
No words about the quality.
Will you give a thumbs up? Thumbs up for Volkswagen?
Fantastic build quality.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, what all you have upgraded, bro?
Nothing much. I have upgraded only this system.
Yeah, then
And
speakers?
all the four and
Yeah, it gets four speakers, four
and
speakers,
computers.
four speakers and two tweeters.
And I have upgraded up to one. I think this is the 4th or 5th tire.
Yeah, 4 or
Everything
15.
is Bridgestone.
Yeah, okay.
Everything
How much
is
did it
Bridgestone.
cost for one tire, bro?
I think around 7,000. 6.5.
7,000. Okay, I've showed you the audio quality of this vehicle. Yeah.
And I have upgraded for 2 seat covers.
Okay, how much did the seat cover? This is the
Cover is
from Skoda company or you
No.
took from outside?
outside.
Yeah, okay.
It cost me around 15,000 overall. Full.
You did not feel that is outdated, this one?
At that time, it was the updated.
Yeah,
Updated variant.
oh, okay. Yeah, and it gets a mic also. Calling function is
Yeah,
also
call
there in there.
function also.
Bluetooth calling.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you satisfied with this?
Yeah.
Or you need to upgrade it in this
No,
time?
nothing. I am
Happy with this?
satisfactory.
Yeah, okay. Then anything to say about the Skoda? Any negative points and
It's a
positive?
good car. The same enthusiastic engine. I have driven it up to 1,89,000.
Yeah, you can see here 1,89,307. Tell me, bro. Yeah.
Still, there is no lag in the engine.
Yeah.
No turbo lag.
Yeah.
No pickup issues.
Okay.
No mileage issues.
Yeah.
Everything is same as it is.
As it is a diesel
As it
engine.
is, when it came from showroom,
Yeah.
the same feeling.
Yeah, it looks like brand new only from outside
I'm
also.
getting the same
Have you ever done a repainting on this vehicle?
simple touches and dents.
Yeah, okay.
Not major.
Yeah, okay. And what does it, as it is diesel engine, how much does it give mileage?
I think it gives up to 18.
Oh, 18.
That's all. 18.
Okay. As does it doesn't show in the instrument cluster. It's a mid variant, right?
Yes,
Ambition.
middle variant.
Yeah, okay. Are you happy with the instrument cluster? What they have done?
At that time, it was in 2012. It was the
Yeah, bro.
updated now.
Special thing is this is the 10 years old car, and it's like a rocket. You have installed a seat cover, steering cover, right?
Cover. That's all.
Yeah, it gets only one airbag.
A single airbag.
Yeah, other cars, did you like them? You would have test driven it, right?
Yeah, I test drove i20 Polo at that time.
Yeah, then this
Then Vento,
Vento, okay.
Verna.
Vento, why didn't you buy, bro? It's same as it, right?
No, but I think look wise it is good.
Yeah, the
Skoda
Rapid.
Rapid
Yeah,
is good.
okay. This is the which generation model?
First generation.
Is this first generation?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think so. But you can check it in Google.
first generation.
Yeah, I'll show the riding part also. Horn, you have installed it, right?
Yeah, it's updated.
Oh, okay. So
Double RN.
we'll do the riding part. Is there anything to say? Any negative points? You told all
I
positive
think
points.
nothing negative in this.
Service cost, first service was free, right?
Cost is much.
Yeah, maintenance.
Little much.
Yeah, because
But
VWs.
it's all about 15,000 one service now.
Yeah, VWs are
It will get managed.
VW groups are highly maintained.
Highly maintained.
Yeah, okay. So the cost is okay for you. You are satisfied.
Yeah, satisfied.
Showroom customers, how they gave in delivery at that time, because
It was a good delivery. They cut the cake and delivered.
at that time also they were doing.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, Volkswagen Group and Skoda. Okay, Skoda. Yeah, nothing much to talk. Let's get diving straight away. So guys, now we'll test the pickup and the top speed. The company claims the top speed as 186 km/h, but we won't go till there. We'll just check the pickup and till which RPM it rises. So with all safety, wearing seat belts. So we'll move now. We are on empty road, right? I mean it's a ring road. Yeah, we'll start it. So we're starting. We turned off the AC. Everything is good. First gear. How much it revs?
I think it revs still for.
Just rev and show.
No, it's not. It will not rev.
Yeah.
2.5.
2.5, 2500 RPM. So we'll start with 3. We'll see. Yeah. There is some amount of wheel spin. Skoda Rapid, its Ambition Plus 1.6 TDI diesel engine. It produces 103.2 horsepower, 250 Nm torque. Yeah. So you can see the torque 0 to 100 km in 10.8 seconds. Bro, did you feel it is satisfying after 10 years also? It has same pickup and the.
Yeah, it's everything. Same.
Is there any lag in turbo lag, anything?
No, everything's good. Satisfactory.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. This was the review of old Skoda Rapid 2012 model. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Obviously you guys won't share it because there is no reason. If you share it, it's good. Subscribe this channel. Next vlog gonna come soon. Yeah, thanks for watching.